everyone, 大家好. My name is Yasmin von Roon and today I'm finally in Weifang in Shandong province. Today I'm seeing the incredible intangible cultural heritage of Weifang incredible ground carving, and I'm so happy to be here with you and show you. Today was a beautiful day because I couldn't wait to see how to work with this incredible, it's like a fruit or a plant together. I'm unbelievable that you can actually carve in this, and I think it's absolutely a great idea. And as you can see, I carved some plants with the help, of course, of the master, because if not, it would be impossible. I wrote some Chinese character, my last and first name, and a phrase that is La vita è bella, life is beautiful. And this is how I felt while I was carving this incredible piece. Life is beautiful, and I'm so happy to be here and to enjoy this incredible place and country.